Hey guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can automate a blog post creation for your WordPress website with the help of AI or with the help of the platform make.com. I will show you everything how you can do this, how you can automate a blog post, the writing of blog post, and also the image creation with AI so that you don't have to do anything, that the platform make.com or the AI will write the blog posts for you. And this is what I want to show you in this video in detail. So I need a new scenario here because I created a new affiliate website with WordPress. So this is my affiliate website. So this is a German website, but yeah, it doesn't matter. I will show you everything and the most important prompts, for example, I will translate for you so that you can simply copy and paste the important prompts and then you have it here. Here you can see this is my new affiliate website. And of course, I need some blog posts in order to get some traffic to my new website. So this is a completely new, fresh website, a new domain name, a new domain. And yeah, I want to have some traffic on the website in order, to make some money with the website. And this is why I need blog posts. And this is what I want to show you. So first of all, we need to have a new a Google Sheet document. We simply go to your Google account and then create a new Google Sheet and give the Google Sheet a name. For example, here, this is the name of this Google Sheet. And here you can see all the rows. So we only need one row. We need the row A. And I already prepared some titles for the blog post. Let me copy and paste them in. So then I will go here and then I simply paste them in. Here are all the topics I want the AI to write a blog post about every day. Here you can see how much do we get or do we have. We have 180 different topics. Yeah, I think this is good. So this is automatically saved. Everything is good on this side. Then the next thing we need to do, we go back to, first of all, we go to our WordPress website. So we need a plugin for this. So we need an integration here. So we go to plugins, add new plugin, and then we will search for make.com, I think. We need the make.com plugin on our WordPress website. What's it called? There it is. Make connector. Then we click on install. And when it's installed, then we click on activate. And all the links I will put in the video description down below. Also, I wrote a blog post. If you want to read everything, then I have a blog post for you. Everything is linked in the video description down below. So let's see where, there it is, make connector. Let's click on automate updates. And here is the new plugin. So here you can see we have a unique API key. Of course, I have to blur this out, but we have a new API key. This is really important. And I don't know if we need to click on save. Let me click on save changes. So then we can go to make, and then we click on create a new scenario. And this is our, we want to start with a blank scenario. Then we go, the first step is we want to use a Google Sheet. We want to watch new row. So this is really important that you click here on watch new row, not add new row or update row. We want to watch a new row. And then my account is already connected. Then I will go to spreadsheet ID, I think it is. Yeah, here it is. Here are all my spreadsheet and what's it called? I think it's called, there it is. Sheet name is sheet 1. Then table contains headers. No, because we don't have a header. Then A1 to Z1 is okay. Limit, please set it to 1. and then we click on save, then all, save. Then we want to add a new OpenAI model. So let's click on model, and then let's search for OpenAI. There it is. We want to use this create a completion. So here it is. Then make sure that you connect this module, or that you have the right connection with your API key, OpenAI API key. Then we search for this. Okay, here model. I want to use now for testing. I want to use relatively cheap. So for now, for the testing and building phase, we are using GPT 3.5 Turbo, and later when everything is set up, when everything is good, then we change to GPT-4. But for now, we put it here. And now the next step is we have to provide our prompt. So we go here to message, add a new message, role. This is really important that we set it to user. So, and here we will put in our prompt, what ChatGPT or the GPT model should do. And let me show you the prompt I want to use here. And I already put the prompt into my translation tool so that you can read it. So this is the German prompt, and this is the English translation. So you can pause this video here and then copy it. Or like I said, I have a blog post linked in the video description down below, where you can copy everything if you want to. So here you can see, write a detailed, well-structured blog article on the topic, and here we will put in the topic. Target group is private individuals, seniors, and technical inexperienced user from Germany. So of course you can modify this, or you have to modify this a little bit. Helpful, understandable, and SEO-optimized blog article in German language, and so on and so forth. Here are the article structures I want to have. Everything looks good. And then here, the article should be at least 700 to 1000 words long. This is good. So then let's go back to make, and then let's put this in here. And of course, I will put this in German language, because I want to create a German language blog post. And here we want to insert, it's already, let me delete this. I want to insert, I don't have this. Second, let's save this. So run this module only, that we have one run. So now you can see in the output, operation output, this is our first topic. You can see here, this is the first topic. Great. Now we have this. Go back here. Now we can put this in here. Spreadsheet ID. No, A. This is right. Okay, then then everything looks good. Let's see. Do we have anything else? No. Then we click on save. Okay, cool. And then the next step is we want to create the AI images. For this, for the AI image creation process, we also want to use OpenAI. So then let's click here, or right click, and then add new module, OpenAI. Let's see, where is generate an image? Here's generate an image. Connect automatically. Okay, now here we have to choose a model, and this is GPT image 1. This is the new AI image generation model, but this model is very expensive. So I recommend dall-e 3. Of course, if you want to have more high quality images, then of course you can go with GPT image 1. But I think, for my blog posts, it is enough when we go, or for my stuff, it is enough when we go with dall-e 3. So I click here, and now we need the new prompt. So then let me put in the prompt in the translator so you can see this. This is our image generation prompt. Here you can see create a professional cover image in landscape format with a 60:9 aspect ratio for a blog post with the following blog title. The image should have a resolution of landscape format, no text in the image, no borders and no watermarks, and so on and so forth. Then we go back to, let me copy this here, because I need the German. And we go to prompt. Let me paste this in here. So, and then we put in here the title. And the title again is from our spreadsheet. This is the title. And now what really important is that we go to show advanced settings. And here we can set the format, you can or the size and the quality and so on. And here we have changed this to this size, and quality. You can put it to HD standard. We leave it on standard here, and here the style. You can change the style and so on. But we leave this, or let's see, what do we have? Vivid, natural. Let's leave it on vivid. So then we click on save. Okay, great. Now, and it's really important that you click from time to time, or that you save your scenario from time to time so that your changes didn't get lost. Then we click on save. The scenario is saved. And yeah, so let's run this. So let's test if everything is good. Let's click here on run once. And let's hope that everything is good. Of course, this takes a little bit, especially the image generation process here can take a little bit. You can see, the text is already finished. Okay, now we have the first results. Let's see here. Let's click here on this little magnifying glass icon, and under output, it is under choices, I think, +1 message. And then, where is it? Content here. Here you can see this is our blog post with the structure H3, H2. Yeah, looks good. I don't know if we need the HTML format, so we have to check this later. If we don't need the HTML tags, then we can remove this, of course, later, or we specify this in the prompt. This is good. Let's click here on the image. Output data +1. And here you can see the image URL. Let's copy this. Let's see how this image looks. Put it here, and yeah, okay, good. Image is created. Perfect. And now, of course, we have the URL, but we have to grab the URL and convert it into a file so that we can work with this. And for this, we go back here and we need a new module. We need an HTML module. So right click, add new module. Then we search for HTML, and then HTML, where? Not HTML, HTTP. Yeah, sorry, HTTP. So here, and then get a file. And here we go to the URL. We paste in the URL here, and here is our URL. Perfect. So then we don't need the advanced settings. We go to, or we click on save, and we also save the whole scenario. Good. Now this will grab the image URL and convert it into a real file. So this is good. Now we have to run this again so that this module will get some data. So let me do this real quick. Run module, and yeah, this takes a while. Okay, now the run was successful. So here you can see when we go to the magnifying glass, that we have an output. You can see the output here, data. We have file.png, and later it is really important that we will give each file a unique file name, because when we always load or always upload this file called file.png to our WordPress website, then we have always the same file name, and then our WordPress cannot understand which file should use for the individual blog post. And this is why we later need to modify the file name so that we always have a unique file name. But this we will do later. So then the next step is we need a new module. We need an image conversion module. So then we right click, add a new module, and then we search for image, image convert a format. We need this module. And here we go to HTTP, get a file. And then we go to JPEG, and then we will save this. And now we have to run this again so that this module will get data. And first we will of course save this, save anyway. Then we will run this again so that we will get data in this module. Run anyway. Okay, now the run is finished, and then we have data here. Let's see, output is file.jpg. This is good. So now we need a WordPress module. Right click again, add a new module. Let's see, WordPress, and we need create media, something like this. Where, create a media item. So this is the module we need here. Create a media item. Click here. And now we go, or we select map here, and we can delete this. We can delete this because here under data, we need the data from the module 5. Not file name, we need the data. And here under the file name, here we have to specify the unique file name. So for this, what the easiest way I think it is, we use the file size, because every file size is different of every image, so that we have a unique file name. And after this, we put in .jpg. Great. Here I think here everything is good. Then connection, and here we have to use we have to connect to our new WordPress website. Right now I don't have a connection to this website, so this is why we need here the API key. Let me copy the API key here, copy this, go back to make, then I click on add connection. Connection name, I will give this the exact name, P. Here's the API key, paste in the API key here, and here we have to put in the base URL. So the URL is this. Back. After this, we need this WP JSON. Yeah, and then we click here on save. Save this. Okay. Yeah, here is everything good. Then we click on save. Also here on save, so that the file is saved. Perfect. And now we need another module, or the final module. So again, add a new module, and then again WordPress, and here the WordPress verified. Create a post for WordPress. Okay, make sure that if you have multiple WordPress websites stored in here that you select the right one. So, and now we need the title of the blog post, and the title of the blog post we will get from the first module. A, this is, I think, yeah, this is the right one. So then the content we get from, get from the content is, yeah, module 2. Here, content, module 2. The output, where is the output? I think the output was under choices, messages. Here, content, this is the right output. Okay, then type is, for me, yeah, this is in German, it's article. Date, you can fill out the date if you want to. Slug, we don't need this. Format, what's this? Standard, I think. Okay, and of course status. Let's put status to published. Parent object ID, we don't need this. Of course, the category is important. Leave this on uncategorized. You can add tags if you want. You can add, or the author is admin, of course. And here we need the media ID. So, and the media ID is, I think this is the media ID when correct. Yeah, this is the media ID. Okay, perfect. Then click on save and save the whole scenario. Perfect. I think, let's see here. Start with this scenario is saved. Okay, I think this. Let's go back to our WordPress website and let's go to post. Right now you can see I don't have any posts, any blog posts published. And yeah, let's test run this. So, okay, let's click here on run once, see if everything is working. Yeah, it's really important that we have a unique image name. This is, yeah, really important that we don't have always the same file name, the file.png, so that we have, yeah, a unique file name every run. And let's see how this plays out here. Okay, now, yeah, it seems to be published. Go to our website and let's refresh this. And yeah, here you can see here's our first blog post. Let's go to, well, let's view the blog post. And yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah, looks really good. Of course, I have to modify this a little bit. You can play around with this. You can tell in the this prompt for the text generation that yeah, he should make it bold, the heading bold, for example, or that, yeah, you can play around with this. And now I want to change this from GPT-3 Turbo to GPT-4. Yes, 4 token. You can leave the tokens is, and then let's click here on save. Save the whole scenario again, and yeah, let's test this again. Everything works. Save. Okay, let's run this again. Let's see if GPT-4 works as well. Okay, now our image will get generated. Yeah, everything looks good. Let's go back to our WordPress website, click on Fresh, and here is our next blog post. Here, then let's see. Yeah, there it is. And of course, you can play around with the image generation prompt. Yeah, and now you can see with GPT-4 we have bold headlines, so on. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, perfect. Yeah, then and now I want to integrate the blog post into into my main homepage here. I built the website with Elementor. This is relatively simple. Let's go to edit with Elementor. Wait until Elementor opens. Here it is. I want to show this on the bottom of the page. Here, new flexbox. This and here, blog. I have to, of course, later change it into German language. Here, then another widget. Blog, I think. Yeah. This. And yeah, there they are. This is really good. This, of course, is a little bit too big. Make this a little bit smaller. Page 4. Yeah, much better. And of course, I don't want to increase this here. And I don't want to have so meta. Perfect. Okay, looks good. Then I click here on save changes or publish. And yeah, so this is how you automate the creation of blog posts with the help of make.com. I will put the link to everything in the video description down below. You will find the link to make, and you will find the link to all the prompts or to the blog post. I wrote a complete blog post about everything where you can read everything in detail, where you can copy the prompts if you want and modify the prompts. I wrote the blog post in English, so then you can read everything. And yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I try to answer all your questions as soon as I can. So, and if you found the video informative, if you like what you see, if you learned something new, then I will appreciate if you press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and yeah, every thumbs up and every subscription helps. And yeah, then see you in the next video. Bye, guys.